Okay guys, last dinner na namin kay Nadine. And dito kami ngayon sa Soban Chicken sa Providence pa rin. Ito yung in-order namin. Chicken and what's that? What do you call it?
Japchae.
Japchae. Korean food. One of the Korean restaurant here in Providence.
The one that you didn't Ito nga binabasa? It was a passion restaurant.
No, of course. Veggie bibimbap. Guys, ubos na. Naubos na tapon. Oh, it's drizzling. This is Thayer. Ano ba tawag dito? Ano tawag nyo rito? Thayers na mga food strip.
Thayer. Like a University Bell.
University Bell, parang recto. Parang sa recto. Puro pagkain siya. And then doon sa dulo is yung Brown University. Nabutan na kami ng ulan. Mambon bigla. Ay nako. Yan guys. Uulan na siya. So again, this is Thayer's Thayer Street dito sa Rhode Island. I mean Providence. Nandito yung mga kainan ng mga estudyante. Para siyang strip, food strip or restaurant strip. Iba-ibang restaurant. So as you can see, wala pa siya masyadong tao kasi bakasyon pa, hindi pa nag-start yung class. Pero pagka may pasok na yung mga estudyante, punong-puno to. Parang nasa recto. Ngayon medyo wala. Pag weekends maraming tao. Pero ngayon madalang pa. So again, nandito tayo sa Thayer. Oh, I will focus. There you go. And dito yung Brown University. Right there. By the way pala, this is Subaru Outback. I think 2023. So ito yung controller niya, yung mga function niya, pressing up and down. Meron siyang lane assist. Okay, this is the control, vehicle control, auto startup. Ito yung pag nakahinto ka, napaka mo yung brake mo, mamamatay yung engine, and then pag release mo, under ulit siya. Steering responsive headlight. Pagka liliko ka, sumusunod yung headlight sa'yo. Auto vehicle hold, pag inon mo siya, pag nag-stop ka, automatic siya mag-hold yung brake mo. As usual, cruise control, acceleration, eco, comfort, and dynamic. I don't know, X mode, snow, dirt, deep snow, mud. And I think this is for what do you call it? Yung steering niya, nakukontrol niya pagka dumulas. And driving assistant, vision braking, nadidetect niya pag uminto yung nasa harapan mo or may sasakyan sa harapan mo, mag-alert sa'yo. Lane departure, ito yung lane assist, kumbaga lane assist. And then blind spot sensor, yung left and right mo doon, nag-aan siya, meron din isa rito, nagbi-blink siya pag merong sasakyan sa side mo. And that's it. Basic control, your dashboard, radio, media, phone, app, settings, your CarPlay. This is your settings. This is your settings, sounds, audio. Okay. You only got equalizer and and fader. And your phone settings. You want to sync all your information, manage your phone book, how you get your message, and you got your Android Auto, and I think your radio, car. And that's all the settings for your car, eyesight. And there's a lot of settings. And pabalik na kami ng apartment ni Nadine. And again, this is Thayer Street. Pwede na rito, Nadine?
Huh?
Oo, doon pa.
You can turn right here.
Huh?
Yeah, you can turn
Right
right here.
here?
Yeah. Oh my god, never mind.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
and they got Shake Shack. That's brown, Nadine?
Yeah.
Oh, nice building. And it's brown. How about this, brown too?
Yeah.
That's another brown. And then Kongdon Street, ang kanyang apartment. Ang kanyang apartment, Nadine. Lumang bahay. Bye. Bye. Basta kami. Balik na kami ng Bay Area.
Lahat ng bili ko ha, please.
Bye. Ingat ka. Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Okay, balik na kami ng Bay Area. After namin naayos si Nadine sa bago niyang apartment. She will stay there for 2 years. Hey, bye Nadine. Pabalik na kami ng airport.
Head south on Condon Street toward Defoe Place, then turn right onto Angel Street. Turn right onto Angel Street.